Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel. Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel.
Learn general knowledge 5 question answers daily for 24th September 2021. Here I am going to start today's Amazon's amazing 5 questions. Main page opened here. I am going to start home page, and there programs and features. You can find some subcategories here. Clicking on Fun Zone, where you find daily quiz questions. Fun Zone page opened here. Win prize every day, and searching for today's quiz questions here. So here it is. Quiz time. Answer and win. New prize every day. Now running 24 hours daily, starts at 12 a.m. I am clicking on play now button now to start today's quiz. Daily quiz time. Answer all 5 questions. Enter the lucky draw to win the prize by answering all 5 questions correctly. So, if all 5 questions correct, then only there is a chance of entering the lucky draw and also chance to win Amazon Pay. Today's amount rupees 20,000. So, I am going to start by clicking on start button. So, here is the most awaiting first quiz question. On 8th August, a day is dedicated to a famous movement, part of India's freedom struggle. Name the movement. What was the name of the movement? Repeating the question. On 8th August, a day is dedicated to a famous movement, part of India's freedom struggle. So, what was the name of the movement? Here the options are non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, Khilafat movement, Quit India movement. Which one you are guessing? So, like this, whenever you see remaining 4 questions and options, guess any one answer. After that, that means after completion of all 5 questions, test yourself how many questions were right and how many were wrong. Like that, you can learn your learning skills daily. So, I am adding some more info about this question. The Quit India movement, it is also known as the August movement. Quit India movement's other name was August movement. Was a movement launched at the Bombay session of the All India Congress Committee by Mahatma Gandhi on 8th August 1942. 8th August 1942 during World War II, demanding an end to British rule in India. The Quit India movement campaign was effectively crushed. The British refused to grant immediate independence, saying it could happen only after the war had ended. Do you know that in 1992, the Reserve Bank of India issued a 1 rupee commemorative coin to mark the golden jubilee of the Quit India movement. So, as per the question, the correct option is the 4th one, that is the Quit India movement. So, on 8th August, a day is dedicated to a famous movement, part of India's freedom struggle. So, the movement name was Quit India movement. So, I am clicking on the 4th option, Quit India movement. So, superb, you seem to be a champion came here. Now, moving to the second question. Look here. In Spider-Man No Way Home, Alfred Molina returns to play the role of which villain he had played in a previous Spider-Man film. Repeating the question. In Spider-Man No Way Home, Alfred Molina returns to play the role of which villain he had played in a previous Spider-Man film. Here the options are Dr. Octopus, Green Goblin, Venom, Sandman. Which one you are guessing? Those who are watching this, they easily guess it. I am adding some more info. And before that, which one you are guessing? Spider-Man No Way Home is an American superhero film based on the Marvel Comics character Spider-Man. It is intended to be the sequel to Spider-Man Homecoming, that is 2017, and Spider-Man Far From Home 2019, and the 27th film in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, MCU, Marvel Cinematic Universe. Alfred Molina portrayed Otto Octavius, that is Dr. Octopus, in Sam Raimi's Spider-Man 2, that is 2004, and will reprise the role in the upcoming Marvel Cinematic Universe film Spider-Man No Way Home, to be released in December 2021. So as per the question, the correct option is the first one, that is Dr. Octopus. In Spider-Man No Way Home, Alfred Molina returns to play the role of Dr. Octopus, that is a villain he had played in a previous Spider-Man film. So I am clicking on the first option, Dr. Octopus. That's right, came here. Now moving to third question. At the recently concluded World Junior Athletics Championship, Amit Khatri won a silver in which event? Repeating the question. At the recently concluded World Junior Athletics Championship, Amit Khatri won a silver in which event? Here the options are 400 meters hurdles, triple jump, 10-kilometer walk, 20-kilometer walk. Which one you are guessing? I am adding some more info about the event and what he won. The 2021 World Athletics U20, that is in short called Championships, also known as the World Junior Championships, was an international athletics competition for athletics qualifying as juniors, born no earlier than 1st January 2002, which was held from 18 to 22nd August 2021 at the Moi International Sports Center in Nairobi, Kenya. The men's 100 meters at the 2021 World Athletics U20 Championships was held at the Kasarani Stadium on 18 and 19 August. Amit Khatri, known mononymously as Amit, is an Indian race walker who competes in the 10 km walk. He won the silver medal at the 2021 World Athletics U20 Championships held in Nairobi, Kenya. So as per the question, the correct option is the third one, that is 10 km walk. So at the recently concluded World Junior Athletics Championship, Amit Khatri won a silver in 10 km walk event. So I am clicking on third option, 10 km walk. So bang on came here. Now moving to the fourth question. Look at the image, how nice this bird is. Can you guess what is the name of this bird? What was the name of this bird in the movie Rio? So actually it has different name in Rio movie. And also, first of all, identify what is the name of this bird and its name in a Rio movie. So here the options are Rafael, Pedro, Nico, Alice. Which one you are guessing? So the animated movies, those who watches, they easily guess its character, its bird's name and character role name also. Rio is a 2011 American 3D computer animated musical adventure comedy film produced by Blue Sky Studios and directed by Carlos Saldanha. The title refers to the Brazilian city of Rio de Janeiro, where the film is set. The Toco Toucan, this is the Toco Toucan, also known as the common toucan or giant toucan, is the largest and probably the best known species in the toucan family. In the movie, Rio Toco toucan name was Raphael. So, as per the question, the correct option is the first one, that is Raphael. R-A-F-A-E-L, Raphael, the first option. So, this bird in the movie Rio, name was Raphael. I am clicking on first option, R-A-F-A-E-L, Raphael. Okay, Bangan came here. Now, moving to the second image and the last question of today's quiz questions. Look at the image. Here a person is making a part with the clay on wheel. Which continent can the invention of this art form be traced back to? Repeating the question. Which continent can the invention of this art form be traced back to? So what was the name of the continent that invented this invention? That is pottery. Here the options are Europe, Australia, Africa and Asia. I am adding some more info. Pottery is the process and the products of forming vessels and other objects with clay and other ceramic materials which are fired at high temperatures to give them a hard, durable form. According to archaeological evidence, pottery first appeared during the era of Paleolithic art in East Asia, before eventually spreading to the Middle East and the Mediterranean basin during the Neolithic period thousands of years later. So you got the answer. So as per the question, the correct option is the fourth one, that is Asia. So Asia continent can be the invention of this art form, that is a pottery making, be traced back to. So I am clicking on the fourth option, Asia. So that's how it came. So today's 5 out of 5 questions right. As appreciation, you can see here, well done. You are eligible for a lucky draw in this contest. Amazon Pay rupees 20,000, and also you can check the winners list on 25th September 2021. Keep learning, enhance with your rocking elaborated skills. Thank you and have a nice day.
Dhanyavad. Thank you. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.